So, we're ready to start packing sales orders. To begin, I tap on a list that displays my approved sales orders. These are orders ready to ship. I then tap on sales order number 521 and select ship. This brings me to a screen with all the items of this sales order. If I know how the products look, I can scan their barcode right away. Alternatively, I tap to go inside each row to see the product image. I then use my handheld Bluetooth barcode scanner to scan the barcode of the item. The mobile app displays a success message indicating the barcode is found in the order. I should then physically pick the product and put it in the packing bin of this order before continuing with the other item. So, the next item is a similar item which I scan and put in the bin as well. I then tap on back and repeat the process to add another product and another product. Remember that I can also scan consecutive barcodes without tapping on the screen if I can physically recognize the products of the order without looking at their photograph. Also, in this case, we are using a connected handheld barcode scanner, but the mobile app also supports scanning barcodes by using the smartphone's camera. Alright, the tasty limoncello is the last item in the sales order. Once all the items are scanned, I can confirm the quantities I physically picked with these in the system. Once I do so, all the items are transferred from the uncounted to the counted tab. Tapping next will get me to the final screen. This is where I can choose the shipping and invoicing document and conclude the packing process for this sales order. Going back to the list of my approved sales orders, I tap on the next one to ship it. I repeat the process to scan the items I see on my mobile screen. If I scan something that's not in the order, I get a notification message, and a notification sound warns me about the incorrect barcode that I scanned. I finally move the scanned items to the counted tab and ship this order as well. The last order I am shipping includes 10 units of the same item. These are the delicious Caprice chocolate stick. In this case, instead of scanning 10 items, I can just scan some or just physically pick all the items and manually update the picked quantity right on the screen so as to partially ship the sales order. This concludes the packing process, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. To download the app, just click on the link in the description or scan the QR codes with your device.